Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2018 F-150 XLT in lightning blue with black sport cloth interior. Seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. This has got a 5-liter V8 engine. It's a 4x4, and it also has a sport package as well as a trailer tow package. It's really easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. Your lighting controls are located here, and you have power pedals. There's a grab handle in the body, making it easier to get in. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and on the face of it you have your dash controls, cruise control, sync voice activated system, and media control with volume. When we start up the vehicle, we're going to see the important messages, and also a menu that we can toggle through. So we have display mode, trip fuel, towing, off-road, settings, and these all have submenus. In the center there's a little cubby up above, and you also have your traction control, auto stop start, hazard lights. Couldn't think of that one for a moment. You also have navigation, and this is a touch screen, so you can go into your audio and touch your sources for AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, and Bluetooth. And then you can go back into the navigation if you wish, or go into your settings for different options like Wi-Fi hotspot. You also have your backup camera view there when you put the vehicle in reverse. There's your volume and tuner and your CD players down below. You also have your climate control with heated seats for both driver and passenger, AC, max AC, as well as front and rear defrost. Off to the side is your 4x4 locking differential, pro trailer backup, and integrated trailer brake controller. Down in the cubby you have a couple of USB outlets, an automatic select shifter, and you have drive mode. And when you press that, you'll see it on your dash. There's normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, sport, and then back around again. There's a couple of cup holders, and in your armrest you can open it up for more storage, and as well you have a bin you can take out. There's also a 12-volt down there and lots of room. Off to the side you have a 12-volt and a 110 outlet, as well as locking glove compartment. Up above, an auto dimming rear view mirror, as well you have your lighting controls and sunglass holder, and this is the button that slides that power window for you. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. You have seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split, and you have sport cloth seats, and you can see that nice tread on there. When you're ready to lift this seat up, you simply put it up by pushing with your hand, and then pull the clip to bring it back down. On the floor there's an all-weather mat, slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and in the center a couple of cup holders, air vents, 110, USB, and 12-volt outlets. Grab handles in the body, up above, hooks and lighting, and in the back, access to a power sliding window. 20-inch Toyo wheels, 6-inch Pro Comp lift kit, mud flaps, running boards, body colored door handle, keyless entry keypad, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The body colored handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. The backup camera is located just below that handle. You have backup sensors on the bumper, 4 and 7-pin connector, and a trailer hitch, as well as a locking spare tire. When we open up the tailgate, you're going to notice inside it's nicely lined, and you have tie downs in all 4 corners, as well as box link. On your fob you have remote start. Body colored bumper, mud flaps, Fender Flares, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, heated and powered side view mirrors with integrated turn signal, rock shield hood, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.